Hi, this is Ellie. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm a Wix Legend partner and web design specialist. In this quick video, I'm going to be covering how to fix Google AdSense earning at risk, which is this message that you probably got for some reasons and you're wondering what's going on. This is for Wix users, and you probably just added your website or your Wix website to your Google AdSense seeking to display some ads on your website, and then when you log into your Google AdSense you find that you're earning at risk and you're wondering how to fix this. Well, this is how to fix it. Now, you want to make sure you log into your Wix dashboard because we're going to need this. And the first step is to click on Fix Now that you see here. Now, you're going to see a download button here. Make sure you click it. And it's going to give you a small txt file. When you open it, you're going to find a small code like this. Make sure you copy the code and you go back to your Wix dashboard. Now, if you log into your Wix backend or dashboard or your website dashboard, make sure you go to the left side panel and you hover into Marketing and SEO and you click on Marketing Integrations, and this is it. I'm already on Marketing Integration page. Now you scroll a little bit down, you see where it says ads.txt. You click Connect. And now you click Add ads.txt. It's going to give you this small window pop up. You paste or you add the code that you have downloaded on your Google AdSense. Okay? And now I want to do a small test here before I hit the save button. Now, just to make sure that you've successfully added the code and it's working. Now, let me go to one of the documents I have here. So what you want to do before you hit the submit or after you hit the save button, whatever. So if this is your domain or your website address, for example, yourdomain.com, you want to add /ads.txt. Okay, and this is what I'm going to be doing for my website right now. Let me go to websitedesigner.com /ads.txt. If I hit the enter button, it will show that my page is not found, which means that there is no ads.txt added to my site. Now, if I hit the save button and go back to the page and reload the page, instead of having 404 error, it now gives me this code, which means that I've successfully added the code to my website. Now, after you added the txt or ads.txt code to your website, you're probably going to wonder, okay, when this will disappear? I mean, earning at risk message. Well, you simply give it some time. It'll probably take 24 to 48 hours in order to get Google AdSense detect the new changes you've done for your website. And don't worry about it. The message will be disappeared after 48 hours a maximum. This is it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please comment below and don't forget to like this video. Also, make sure you check my Instagram for some recent website design inspiration. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.